All right, so now you're buying a home. One of the first steps you're gonna have to do is finding a real estate agent to help you find that home. But how does one go about finding a good real estate agent? The first thing that I would recommend that you do is ask your friends. Ask people who have gone before you and who have purchased a home if they have a referral for anyone that they would recommend based on the service that they received. Second thing you're gonna want to do, even if it's a referral, is do some vetting. Easiest way to do that is to go online and check out digitally what this agent has been able to do in the past. Some useful tools for that are going to be Facebook, Google, as well as Zillow, and being able to see what their total review volume looks like and whether or not they've been able to receive 5 stars from previous clients. The third thing you're likely going to want to do is understand, is this agent experienced? One simple benchmark you can use for that is actually the number of transactions they've had in the last 12 months on Zillow. An average agent that's a full-time agent is gonna have between 8 to 12 per year. If you see far more than that, that's likely a good sign. If it's far less than that, then you at least wanna ask the question. Do understand that not all agents are going to be updating that Zillow profile with all of their transactions. Last but not least, interview your agent. Have a conversation with them and likely with multiple agents to make sure that they're going to be a good fit for you professionally as well as personally. Now, if that sounds like a lot, I'll make it a lot easier for you. That's exactly what we at Sentry Residential do when we are choosing agents to be able to join our brokerage. So please reach out to us at sentryresidential.com or visit us on the website to see the agents that we've already vetted specifically for you.